Well, hello there. I'm the Rifter, and welcome to another exciting, and I mean exciting, tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to complete a mail merge in case you have to send a ton of people a bunch of emails. Now, you do have to have Microsoft Word and Microsoft Outlook for this to work, probably even Microsoft Excel. You can probably use LibreOffice, but whatever. Honestly, you can put this in a text file too, but it's just easier with Excel. So let's say you have all of these peoples right here that you want to send an email to. This is exactly the format you need. Now, you can have name, email, company. You can get as complicated with this as you want. I simply have name and email. But again, you can do company if you want to mention companies throughout your email. But I'll give you an example. So, hi, my name is the Rifter, and you suck at Microsoft Word. That's a very friendly message that I'm going to send out to a bunch of people. I'm not actually going to send this out to a bunch of people because they already know they suck at Word. Anyway, so what you do is you structure your list exactly like this. And you can put name anywhere or email anywhere in the top column. You just have to have it up there to let the CSV file know that that's the header. It's also very important. You need to save as and then do CSV. Save as, and then you need to do it as a CSV file right there. So once you save it, you will go back over to Word, and there is a thing called mailings. My favorite way to do this is start mail merge and step by step. It's so easy to do that, but you'll do email messages, just next, and well, if you've got a different document you want to send as an email, that's fine. You can do it from a template, you can do it from an existing Word document, but I'm going to use this document here. Next, use an existing list. This is the easiest way to do it. You can select from your Outlook contacts, but I'll never use Outlook contacts. Or you can type a whole new list, but we're using an existing list because we already know all the people we want to email. So next, there we go, mail merge CSV. You're going to double click that and just click OK. And click OK. So here's all your people, their names, the email. Just click OK. So what you are going to do is click next again. After you finish writing your email, you'll click more items. So first of all, position your cursor where you want it to go. Then click more items. And for the name field, just click insert. And then if you got company, you can close this and go through your email. It's like, I heard that you work for, and then you can insert the company name. And you can email a ton of different companies or however you want to structure it. It's really up to you. This is just a quick example. But if I had company name, you work at blank, and we want to send you our whatever. But you can pre-populate a bunch of fields throughout the letter, and that's why this is such a powerful tool. But you can preview your results, and if you click preview results, and then you can just go down the list. Keep clicking next. So once you have this done, you click next, and this is another way to review your list. Next is complete mail merge, and you'll click electronic mail. So here's where you have to pay attention. some mail servers, especially Google and Microsoft, and actually all of them have limits. So if you send email too quickly, it's going to block your address for spam, and you'll have to wait a predetermined amount of time to get it to unlock. So what you need to do is leave this email to, put your subject line in here, free whatever, or whatever you want to grab their attention with. You can leave the mail format as HTML. This is what you want to do, from, and just to be safe, you can do from 1 to 20. So what that's going to do is it's going to email these people just quickly. Like, it'll do it in about a second or two. So once you click OK, I don't want to click OK because, these are random email addresses, but I'm sure some of them are real, so I don't want to send it out. But once you do that, you can click OK. It will send your mail. Then you'll do electronic mail again, from, and you'll do 21 to 40. Or if you want to send them out 10 at a time, now you need to look up your server's restriction on sending out emails. Because again, it will flag you for spam, and sometimes it can penalize you. It can take a week to unfreeze. It just depends on whatever your email server, whatever their rules are. But it's that simple. It's really not that difficult to do. Anyway, it's that simple. If this video helped you, let me know in the comments. Send me a subscribe, a like, comments. Share it if you know somebody who wants to know how to do a mail merge or send out a ton of emails at once. But I am the Rifter. Thank you for watching.